In this video, you'll learn how to make ElevenLabs voice more natural by adjusting various settings and techniques. By the end of this guide, you will be able to create a more realistic and engaging text-to-speech output. Begin by selecting the right voice. Some built-in voices have a more natural quality than others. Navigate to the text-to-speech panel and test a few voices. Listen carefully to determine which voice sounds closest to real speech. This initial selection significantly impacts the overall quality of the output. Next, access the voice settings for your chosen voice. Within this section, you will find options to adjust stability, style, and pitch or speed if available. For stability, setting it lower, around 60 to 70, will produce a more expressive and natural tone. Conversely, a higher setting, around 80 to 90, can result in a more robotic and consistent sound. After adjusting stability, focus on style or exaggeration. A slightly higher setting, approximately 20 to 30, can introduce. However, be cautious, as setting it too high may lead to an unnatural or cartoonish effect. Carefully consider these adjustments to enhance the voice's expressiveness while maintaining realism. Another important aspect involves adding pauses and punctuation to create a natural rhythm. Incorporate commas, periods, ellipses, or line breaks in your text. For example, writing, "Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day," helps the AI mimic real speaking patterns more effectively. Emphasizing words can also enhance the naturalness of the speech. You can use brackets to signify subtle emotion or stress on specific words. For instance, saying, "I am really excited to show you this," can convey excitement. Use tags like softer, or a shouting, but keep the emphasis subtle to avoid sounding. It is also advisable to break long sentences into shorter ones. Shorter sentences tend to sound more human than a single long block of text. For example, instead of saying, "Today I will explain everything about AI voice cloning and how it works in detail," you could say, "Today I'll explain everything about AI voice cloning. I'll also show you how it works in detail." This adjustment makes the speech sound more conversational. Finally, use natural text that reflects how you would speak in everyday conversation. Avoid typing in a robotic or overly formal manner. Once you've made these adjustments, generate a sample and listen carefully. Pay attention to how the changes impact the voice's naturalness. Adjust stability, style, and punctuation as needed until it sounds right to you, as even minor tweaks can create significant improvements.